To celebrate Cinco de Mayo, I put together Cinco de Mayo series over the course of several days till May 5th. I'm going to be sharing cookie decorating tutorial inspired by Cinco de Mayo. Hi, it's Hani from Haniela's here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get started with Cinco de Mayo series. I'm going to start by making the banner first. What I did here, I put transfer sheet into a smooth, transparent protector sheet. I secured it onto a plexiglass, and now I am using soft piping consistency to outline and also to pipe a zigzag line in the middle. We're going to let this crust for 5 minutes. This zigzag line is going to act as a support beam, if you will, so we can mitigate cratering in our royal icing. And now we're going to flood each section with flat consistency royal icing. You can use 15 to 20 second consistency. Immediately take white royal icing, and we're going to be using my favorite technique of all, wet on wet. So with about 15 to 20 second consistency royal icing, pipe these dots, and immediately with the tip of the scribe tool, drag one side into the middle, creating this beautiful flower-like shape. And then we're going to add some polka dots on the bottom edge and also on the top edge here. And then you can make these in a variety of different colors. Let these dry overnight for at least 8 hours, and then you can remove them from the acetate. Aren't these adorable? I love how these turned out. And now when you have your transfers ready, we can work on the cookie. So I've got my cactus shape here, and I'm gonna start by outlining and flooding the cookie with 15 second consistency. I'm using leaf green here, and I'm going to partially ice it with this leaf green. We're also going to add a highlighter color. We're gonna be using white and also some yellow. While it's not gonna look like watercolor, I really like the marbled design, so I'm adding some white and also yellow. And to marble it together, I'm gonna use a palette knife. Palette knife has a larger surface area, and I love using it when blending colors like this together. It's quick and super easy. Once your cookie is iced, let it dry for about 8 hours. And then we can use our little banner to decorate. So I'm just gonna place it across and use my edible marker to mark the bearing point so I can draw the string. I want to make sure that I fit all of these shapes onto the cookie. So with black marker, we can draw the string across like so. And then to glue the banner onto the icing, all you need is just a dot of icing. And then you can place each little section on there. Try to make it as flush as possible with the string. And now we're gonna add some flowers. To make the flowers, I'm using red icing, and this is about 20 second. You can go 20-25 second consistency here. And what I'm doing here, I'm going back and forth, zigzag line. And then we're going to add spikes. These are going to test your patience. I'm going to be using white icing here. And when piping these, you want to just anchor the line first, squeeze the piping back just a little bit, and then move it in a direction you want to go. And then as soon as you are ready to stop, decrease the pressure and pull away. And that's how you can make these adorable cactus cookies adorned with colorful Cinco de Mayo inspired banner. Stay tuned for another tutorial coming tomorrow.